and your screen right now is Herb. Herb, what you plan on doing out here today, man?
Put some dick in every motherfucking body that come across me. I'm coming to seek and destroy.
You heard that?
All the way from North Carolina. I'm coming to fuck up anybody get in my way.
Yeah.
I mean anybody. I mean any motherfucker get in my way. Sitting anything close. You ain't gotta be sitting just like me.
Yeah.
I got a street car.
Right.
But if you sitting close to me, I'm trying to fuck you up.
Okay. So who you going in the battle with today? You already got something locked in,
old dog.
You and who?
Me and old dog. I'm gonna throw him a bone.
You gonna throw dog a bone?
Yeah, go on get it. I'm gonna throw him a bone, get him up the road, you know.
I heard it was the first grudge race of the day.
First grudge race of the day. I ain't got no business coming out here cause I'm saying shit, but me, I got a big dick, big nuts, and I really don't give a fuck about nobody.
You
and
heard
I'm hard-headed.
He say hard-headed, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. All right, Herb, let me see what check you out right here. There he is, goddammit. Herb say he got a grudge race. He got a grudge race today. Grudge race, grudge race. Herb in the Nova. Say going up against Willie Dog. They gonna throw old dog a bone, y'all. There it is.
I'm a real motherfucker on mine.
Yeah.
I grabbed me that bitch down there, right there, Herb, with the big block Nova.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna shake down on, to show this motherfucker I come to fuck a bitch up today. Ain't no motherfucking testing today, they racing. I come to fuck a bitch up. That big block goddamn it Nova down there, right?
Yeah.
I'm finna shake down on his motherfucking ass.
Here we got Willie Dog and Biz going up against Herb. Here we go. Y'all got it. Y'all go on with the win.
Down there, BG. You in the house on the BG. Motherfucking trouble today, boy.
Oh, you a motherfucker.
Hey.
That's the damn car.
I'm a go get a nigga. And I swear to hell, I don't get a nigga.
Rematch, rematch. Rematch grudge race, the rematch. Herb with that dog. Here we go.